Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, we're gonna be doing something a little different. There's gonna be some cleaning motivation, but other than that, we're gonna be doing a closet clean out. I'm gonna be straightening up and cleaning this closet up, but I'm also going to be going through my clothes and some other things and listing some items on my Poshmark closet. We've been using Poshmark for years now, and we absolutely love it. Poshmark is the leading marketplace to buy and sell fashion. You can buy and sell through Poshmark, list your items for free, and make money from home. But you can also do some shopping. We've done both. Poshmark always has the good stuff and the hard to find stuff that you can't find anywhere else. Don't forget to check down in the description. I'm going to have my Poshmark closet link down below. Feel free to check it out and shop. Or you can also just download the app and create your own. You can find amazing deals on Poshmark. They have thousands of brands on there and they're up to 70% off retail price. They also offer complimentary authentication for purchases of $500 or more. So what I'm starting out doing is just going through some of my hanging clothes and seeing which pieces I would like to keep or let go. I have a really hard time letting go of things sometimes because I'm super sentimental and I like to keep stuff forever, but that's why I love Poshmark. It makes it easy for me because not only am I making money from home by selling my items, it's also going to a home of someone who truly wants the item. So then I don't feel so bad for letting it go. Alright, so these are some of the items that I just picked out from the hanging portion of my closet. I'm going to go through these and just see how I feel, and then I'm going to list them. So I picked out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items so far. And actually I already have a couple of these listed on my Poshmark closet. I just had them hanging up in my closet. Load up your Poshmark app. It's so simple. Click the sell button, take pictures of your items, title them, put a description, the size, the brand, all that fun stuff, and then you just list. So next up I have this adorable shirt from Candy's brand, like a little button up. It's got like a peplum style, and then it's got this crocheted heart in the back, a little collar. So cute. 2 different patterns going on. So there's floral and then there's this down here. It is adorable. You think that I should calm down. So I'll admit this one's a little hard to let go of because I pretty much lived in this for over a year. It's one of my favoriteest things. It's just this Victoria's Secret pink pullover. It's got a hood and it kept me warm so many days. Has a little pull string here. It says Love Pink. But yeah, I'm sure y'all seen me in this a million times. So it's getting listed on my Poshmark closet. So a lot of you might remember this shirt that I got a while back. I actually ended up getting 2 of them. So I figured I would sell one of them on my Poshmark closet. This one is obviously mine. It's super soft, super comfy. I have it tied up in the front, but you don't have to tie it up at all if you don't want to. Yeah, it's got this little detail here and it's lavender, so I'll be putting this on my closet as well. Okay, so this next item is a dress. It's actually a size small, but it ended up being like too loose for me, but I know somebody out there would love it. This is brand new. I've never wore it. I'm gonna give you a whole view of it, but I just wanted to show you like the top part really quick just to give you an idea. Now, what I would recommend is adding a belt to it. This is not the proper belt for it, obviously. I don't have a lot of belts, but you could always add a belt just to tighten it up here underneath the chest. So it looks like this. Oops, got my hair in there. So this is gonna be a full body view, just to give you an idea of the length. Kind of goes a little higher in the front and lower in the back, which is really nice for coverage. But yeah, so this is with the belt, and then this is going to be without. So I'm gonna show you, it's pretty roomy. So I'm just gonna give y'all a quick view, I'll have it fast forwarded, of some other items I have on my closet. I also have these super cute black blingy fur boots on my Poshmark closet. I think I wore these maybe one time. You can tell by the bottom of them, they're not that bad. And there's even still like the size on there. So these are size 8 by the way, but these are super comfy. They've got the soft fur all inside. It's got a button there. Yeah, these are pretty much brand new, and look how blingy they are. They're so cute. I'm also going to be listing these in a couple minutes. These are 2 different pairs, 2 different styles of diesel jeans. They're pretty much brand new, like flawless. They're like 2 different styles, so I'm gonna list them on there as well. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. So I don't know about y'all, but my closet is the least cleaned place in my home. Not that it's dirty or anything, but it's always just messy. Anytime I try on a shirt or pants, or I'm trying to figure out something to wear, I never hang it back up. And I've had this problem my whole life. I don't ever hang it back up. I always just throw it on top of the dresser or throw it on my chair, and it ends up just piling up and turning into a big mess. So I'm trying to pick up all of these things today, hanging up the clothes that need to be hung up, folding the clothes that needed to be folded, and even refolding some of the clothes that were folded, but I messed them up. But anyways, am I the only one? But all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. I ended up finding 2 more items I would like to list in my closet, so I'm going to be listing those in a second. I know this is crazy, but I already feel like 100 times better just by straightening this up, because it was getting a little messy, and straightening that up And yeah, so I'm gonna take all the stuff I've listed from Poshmark that I have in these bags, and I'm just gonna hide it back here behind my jackets and stuff. Nobody needs to see that. Honestly, Alan's side is already like nicely kept. I did kind of mess this up earlier just because I was hanging up some extra jeans of his, but he always keeps his side really neat. I do need to straighten these up a little bit, his work clothes, and I need to put this purse up, figure this mess out, and put all of my paparazzi somewhere, and I need to vacuum this floor. The bird seeds and the feathers is terrible. Oh my gosh.
We got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no.
So there's always bird food and feathers on my closet floor because at night that's where the birds sleep, because I do have 3 cats and I can't just leave the cage out in the open. So they're always in our closet at night. That's where they go to sleep, and so their little feathers and bird seeds gets all over. So that's what I'm trying to vacuum up now.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down.
All right, so my closet is all fresh and clean. It's a little bit neater. Not much I can do about the purses up there because it just is what it is. My shoes. This is Alan's side, which I kind of messed up. Can't blame him. That's totally me. Got more shoes up there and just some other things. Yeah, so I straightened this up. Straightened that up a little bit. Don't y'all love my little Selenas and my Marilyn Monroe clock? Stuffed animals. It feels so much better. So fresh and so clean and neat. And I made some extra space by listing some of my items on Poshmark. So, really funny story. Okay, it's not actually funny, but I am pooped out. I actually didn't do that much cleaning in my closet because thank God Alan's side was good and I'm not dealing with the top shelves, but like everything else has got me wore out and I still have to clean the rest of my apartment. Anyways, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. A little closet clean out, a little closet straightening. Hopefully this video motivated you and inspired you to get up and clean your closet, and also to check out Poshmark. I will have it linked down below. Don't forget to check out my closet. I showed you guys some of the items that I listed, but I also have a couple other items on there that was already on there as well. Yeah, so check out the link down below. It'll be my closet. Just click on it, download the app onto your phone, or open up your own Poshmark store and list some of your items. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all next time. If you like this video, give it a like. If you like my channel, subscribe, and leave me some comments down below because as always, I would love to hear from you. Also, let me know which of the items I listed on my Poshmark closet is your favorite. Anyways, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.